Hi there, beautiful people around the world. Hope you all are doing great by the grace of God. I'm doing fantastic. Work is okay. Actually, these days I'm quite busy with these activities, whatever you can see, and I'm posting everyday videos on my Facebook page and YouTube channel. You can check it out. And here you can see I made 1 pound chocolate cake, and today I decorate this cake with chocolate layer. You can see this is chocolate. I melt it with preheat, and then it's melt, and I just make a border on the surface of this cake, and it's just melt down. It's so nice to see such things, and I love chocolate cake so much because its flavor is very pleasant and very tasty. And you can see how does it work. And okay, I used whipped cream, which is called tropical whipped cream, and that is very good for making homemade cake. And it took around 250 BDT. And here you can see making a big border so that it looks very nice and very eye-catchy. And for this, just making a big border with this chocolate. Yes, you can see this, it looks so nice, but it's just very simple decoration. It's not that much hard. But at the beginning I thought, okay, it might be very hard to decorate a cake, as whenever I see any pictures or any videos making a birthday cake, it looks very hard. But as I'm doing it, I learned it how to decorate a cake. It's super easy. And you can see on the surface of this cake I put some, it's called chocolate. It's just a fragments of chocolate, just spread it on the surface, and then sweet balls I also spread it on the surface of this cake to look it eye catchy and beautiful. Okay, you can see the final look of this cake. Thank you.